you're doing this shit properly. You got to play out the gather where it is all of me.
Much respect.
Man, come from.
It's an island. Well, a vibe in here. Yeah. It's an island.
Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to Island by Africa, child. It's damn beautiful people. You can hear the music in the background. I'm here doing a rehearsal for a show I have coming up with a rapper, which is a song that haven't been released yet. So, but very soon you guys will hear it. You know what I mean? Just here rehearsing.
Keep telling me shit gon' change, but I know that a word am I going insane. Fading these bump, I've scrambled office and left myself blind in the mud. Now I'm standing on top, niggas.
1 second.
Do this shit, cause I got
Levi's, I've been hustling ever since I was made hard. Get to the paper, then I'm giving the gun. I'm trying to get the money, make it for my mumsy. Yeah, I got that quarter ounce, I stash it in my bummy. If the coppers come and running, the buzzy got a stun, and then you know I got the lowest prices. I ain't talking bunny shit, my way got me real clumsy. Lost the back like bungee, roll the dice a couple times, so you might end up running.
rewind, talk tough, then get whacked, head spin around like a clothesline. I'm certified, you can check that.
Got back, he's gonna leave, he's got me like spinning on a track. I start a fucking rock. Cheap right now with a fucking line. Pull up with a bus on the mic, that's right. Don't get no boss when I step that way. When I put it up on the pavement, 24/8, brother, that's what I'm saying. Hey, special girls when I put that shit when I first man know what I'm saying. Let's run that.
Spinning and prominent, dominant like the Ottoman Empire. When conquerors set fire, abolishing wax stars, got flavors and profiles. I smooth with it so wild. I groove with a dope sound. I feel with it profound. My flow like a boat drown. I live for the underground. I'm cleaning my actor. You can really then calm down, then calm down, then calm down. Yo, I know you like to rappers, but think about what's behind the mic. Think about the message and if they're filling your brain with lust. What you think about and the regulars, what you bring to life. Honestly, tell me, are you happy with where you are right now? Ladies and gentlemen, this is interdimensional. Thinking about myself in the past, present and future still. Know I spit the truth and what I say, you know I do for real. East Bay, hustler, upturn, rapping a dollar bill. Nothing for the love, but I'm really lucky and money feels. Reinvest my profit to generate like a power bill. I'm a stack of bread that regardless if I get record deals. Then I'm quick to burn and I'm skirting funding and beamer bill. Eat dirty, be rolling dirty, mobbing on sensor wheels. Low as fuck, same as my eyes after I smoke the blunt. Spinning kind of wavy, I'm thinking I'm turning woofers up. Dropping down, cruising through town, they then remember us. Quick to hit your brain, what I'm saying, playing is dangerous. Rocking with this energy, heavy stuck in the cranium. Looking for the answers, I feel I'm going insane again. You just show support to that didn't, now I'm the main again. Harder Jimmy doing so well and it's irritating them. The diamond in the rock, I keep grinding until I'm radiant. Working on myself for so long that I'm feeling alien. We coming from the land down under brother Australian. About to pass it off to my brother rugged Jamaican. Hey, yo, living fast and the smoking out the trees and getting high. Reminiscing on my life change. I've been doing this before the ice age. Long time, it's not surprising. I'm not that frightened. Somebody gon' cry me a river. I don't play into mind games. Them irrelevant, we are not dissimilar. When we in the room, them best I dress like the elephant. Time out to speak my mind and proclaim a remittance. Never trust a change his mind, obviously I'm vigilant. From my feet, never froze, my enemies been on the throne. Still we out here opening doors. Now take the time, I have to coach. Your friends are part from the twist, protect me out from roads. Now the renaissance started to go out to kill the goat. But ferocious to the new drugs, but I feel low and social. Mind split, help me find peace within my ego. I do it for the love, if I am from my people. Take one shot, then reload again. So I want everybody keep calm. This is the style, you king on the throne. Rip it dancehall, so you know the thing go. We be shutting it down anywhere we perform. Them people bad, them people tough, them people witty. I could have wondered them must sip and I move Gigi. What a pity, we pull up in them hometown city. Just imagine full of jack, but now submissive. I'm confused, I know the man, I know the. I certainly for what I'm spitting, the truth is I have no vision. And certainly not your competition. Take care of the youth, them so them now to make nobody. Know that you can't swagging at the clothes that you're matching. You're living a rent house and a sport in a Bugatti. Give me in from my shoulder, no capping. East Bay, bang in the street, get active. Them office and a grow rough savage. Yeah, oh, them for know. A yard man thing, Jamaican thing, real body.
So I'm surrounded by these
intellects and hustlers, mate. More opposition ain't on this level, I can't be faced. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, fucking only the excuses, mate. I'm on my future, never lock the sound and gather round and just follow me. I call it how I see it, you listen like I'm a prophecy. Put your hands up, it's a mothering East Side Studios doing this shit properly. If you lock the sound and gather round and just
Checking the pump to the drums and the speak. I speak, but I'm gonna come with the J-Cuz. I got pinks like Jack and the bass though. Said I want beef when I see the race straight off. Like, I don't know, but when I try to beat go. Like lucky, see the farm, I can't trust the soul in this life. I leave all these cunts got false one. I'm not busy, I stand my ones. Really gonna get it done, get a time fly speak, it's funny. Didn't wanna see me prosper now that I'm bossed up. All these flock cunts wanna ride my dick, huh? So these cunts ain't ready to trust. I'm the one like Eddie trying to get to the cheese and they care of the beef, but they can still get bun like biddies. Really come for the block like Jenny, which kick one eye and the fun stuff. Busted on the corner, kick the door, so they go close, then Curtis. I've been working with my bros like, wow, what's the problem? Trust the soul, but don't stress, I'ma get that sword. Like it's snap, kick to the head, like standing, make a baffle. When I rap and flawless, don't get chassis. We're not gonna back a bunch of actors, but it won't do nothing. Think you're bad, man, but it won't do chassis. Cut to the action, my bros really hard, listen, that's dash, and I snap like bunches on my stuff with blood. The rest is fuckery, fuck off, into the course of my jump.
Showtime. Wagwan. Welcome back to your Island Boy Africa channel. Yes, damn beautiful people. So right about now, I am actually heading to a performance. You know, the rapper that I collab with, we have a show together. So basically, I'll be performing the song that we collab together. You know what I mean? So I'm heading to Ballina, and from here to Ballina is a hour's drive, and pure rain, like all day it's been rain, so you know I'm just taking my time going there. The performance supposed to be, I think, 7:45, yeah, so around that time, so I'm making my way there. So apparently it's the first time they're keeping this festival. It's called a Warehouse Festival, so who knows the turnout, what it might be because of all this rain. So just gonna make way there. I'm actually going by myself today because BFs is at home with the kids and things, so you know, won't be out there long. Just want to do this and come home, because you don't know, he's a family man right now. He's a person who even like road like that anyway, so I just go do my show and come home. So that is that, my people, and yeah man, so stay tuned. Hopefully I can get someone to film for me. That's what I'm really hoping for, so you guys can get this footage, because I like to have these as, you know, to build up my profile as an artist as well. So yeah, stick around people. My wife actually bought me this jersey, which is the latest Jamaican jersey that's out right about now, and really this is my first time wearing it, and it's really nice. Like the designs and just the pattern, it's really cool, I'm not gonna lie. So I just want to say thanks BF for this gift, you know what I mean, and yeah, I love it. So this is what I'm wearing for my show tonight, and yeah, let's go now, we on a roll. Woo! Rain!
Angelina, the cool in the temperature. You could live forever. I'm a cock in the feeble letter. Last Saturday, I go meet you there.
In 400 meters, turn left onto Kerr Street.
I'm giving you my all.
So we're here, my people. I don't know how I'm gonna find parking though, but this is the place that Google Maps take me to. So it's a warehouse, but the parking is the problem now, and I don't know where I can park in this place. I just found the parking on the side of the road, so the place is just right back there. So I'm gonna call my friend and then yeah, make the link up from there. Otherwise I would have to pay to go in, and I'm not doing that, you know what I mean. So yeah, that is that. Stay tuned. Here my people.
Stop!
you want, keep rolling with all that, bro. I'm counting blessings, no head, them blessings to snatching blessings. I'm doing drums, I bet you think I'm working for the service. Still watching the snakes and serpents. I come to back, brothers know I ain't talking back. But I get paid my way. Best to not make the mistake, cause I'm straight up breaking late. These mental shots get infected and turn to toxic traits. I had brothers and junkies from all the Aussie state. They're painkillers, they're brain killers, I'm MJ. Anyways, I breathe deeply, avoiding panic state. Tapping into universal energy like Tesla's brain. You attract when you project with your magnetic wave. So I'm surrounded by these intellects and oscillate. My office is East Bay Studios, doing this shit properly. So if you got a sound, they gather around and just follow me. Yo, so what can charge you stupid cunts for dreams you're trying to chase? See, I'm just doing it for the love, cause this shit getting paid. They hit me up to get you pop unless I'm getting paid. This ain't the cotton field, don't treat me like a fucking day. If I'm the weakest link, I'm snapping like a Jenga's chains. We bashing bigots, fuck these races, fuck I die today. And mad love to all the blacks in every other race. We rising up, don't think you're afraid, except it's time to change. Half these black cities have something but the similar videos doing this shit properly. If you like the sound, you gather around and just follow me. How I'm singing, you listen like I'm a prophecy. Yeah. When they say East Bay, you say cartel. East Bay, cartel. East Bay, cartel. East Bay, cartel. East Bay, cartel. Let's fucking go. I'd like to thank every East Bay, cartel.
That's a wrap.
Sweating.
That was good.
You fuckers.
Much respect.
I love that.
Much respect.
What's your
Africa is my stage name.
Africa?
Africa.
Africa.
Yeah, Kai.
Oh, that's fucking sick.
Yeah, much respect. Yeah. Yes, man. So behind the stage, you know what I mean? So just finished that set. Man. Well done, bro. That was amazing. Yes, man.
First fucking 2024, let's talk.
That is it. That is it. Yeah.
So good, man.
Much respect. Yeah, man. So guys, I'm heading home right about now. This is the scene. Much respect.
Man, come, man.
Much respect. Yeah, man. It's still raining out here. It's still raining, so that's the bar section. Home time for me. My people, so that's a wrap for tonight. The rain is coming down, so I'm not waiting no longer. So a little more, everybody, and I hope you all enjoy this video. And stay tuned for what next for the music, you know what I mean? So yeah, going home to my family. That is it.
Fire abolishing black stars, the flavors and profiles. I swim with a soul war, the group with a dope sound. I'm living in pro down, I feel like a full trim. I live in the underground, I'm cleaning my act up to get ready to calm down, to calm down. I wanna do the love, but I'm really locking up money bills. Bringing best my heart, but degenerate like a pebble bill. I'ma stack the bread regardless if I get rich with this. Then I'm really burning, I'm skirting, finding the beat the bill. E30 be rolling dirty, mobbing on six wheels. Though as fuck, same as my eyes off, so I spoke to fuck. Feeling trying to wave, I'm thinking.
It's not surprising, I'm not that frightened. Somebody go cry me a river. I don't play into mind games. Them irrelevant, we are nothing similar. When we hit the room, the best and dances like the elephant. I know, save my mind, and to clear my best and the star. Looking at the tune, ripping that sound. So you know what they take down, we shall take it down. Everywhere you win from okay. Them evil bad, them evil tough, them evil weak. Come on, I could have won that, them a sip and I'm a Fiji. What a pity, we pull up in at the Port Town City. Just imagine full of